Good evening. Today is Wednesday, August 19, 2020. I am Sudarshan Sukhani. In this webinar, we will discuss intraday trading ideas and strategies for the Nifty. This is a standard template which we follow every day. First, we will discuss the plans that we had made for today and the market's behavior and our own actions related with the plans and the market behavior. And then we will talk about what we plan to do tomorrow, that is Thursday. I have explained why we revise our actions for the day every day. This enables us to develop a sense of how the markets do and what we have to do to adjust with the markets. And that enables us to make a practice of the trade, and after months and years of practice, you will realize that you have become a perfect trader and you did not even know when that happened. But practice makes perfect. That is why we follow this routine every day. What did we think for today? We planned that today is likely to be a choppy day. Yesterday we had a trend day. The market moved up from the lows of the day and closed at the highs, and luckily we caught the entire trend. That was one day. Every day is not going to be like this. Every day we will not have a trend day, and even if we do have, every day we may not be on the right side of the market. We may have a different view and the market may do something else. Be that it may, today we had already thought that markets will be choppy because after a big move, even markets need to consolidate. You get tired after you do a lot of hard work. So surely the market also gets tired. And remember, the market consists of human beings like you and me and X and Y and Z, everybody. So the market says, okay, pause now, let me catch my breath and then I will start again. That's a natural tendency of most liquid markets. So today we have thought markets will be very choppy, and the only trade we will do is if the Nifty falls 50 points approximately after opening and the open was expected to be higher, then we will go and buy the Nifty and keep a tight stop. The market was so choppy, it did not fall, it did not go up, it did nothing at all. Throughout the day, Nifty futures traded in a range of barely 60 points. So where was the question of having a 50-point decline? The market opened, went up, came down, went up, came down, and did not do this with big moves. It did it with 40, 30-point moves. And we know that these moves are not, there was a low that was made earlier when the Nifty futures made a low of 11,407. It made that low for a second. Nobody could actually have bought it. I'm just pointing out that these unusual market moves cannot be caught. The market has to go in a flow. There was no flow. It was a completely choppy market. So we did no trade because there was no opportunity. We were looking to buy on a dip. That dip never came because the market, as I told you, did not move at all. Today was a day that was a scratch day, a nothing day, no action day. It's fine. We don't have to trade every day. Now tomorrow. Think of the cycle. We've had two strong up days, one choppy day today. So now the market has a choice. Tomorrow it can be another choppy day, or tomorrow it can again start a cycle of either strong days, trend days on the upside or on the downside. Because the trend is up, I am looking only to buy tomorrow. But remember, after a narrow range day, the Nifty can do anything, any market. It can go up, it can come down. At this point, I close today with a view that I would be a buyer in the Nifty either at the open after the first 15 minutes or on a small dip. But if the Nifty goes below 11,350, at that point my buying is not there. Then that's the end of it. I'm not looking to go short in the index because we are in a strong uptrend. So, sometimes the markets fall 20, 30, 40 points. That's not a new downtrend. It's just a small random correction. I'm not keen to catch those corrections. So I would look to buy the Nifty tomorrow on a dip or on a breakout. The exact contours of how we buy depends on how the market opens up and does whatever it wants to do. That's the view for tomorrow. Have a good trading day. Enjoy yourself. Jai Hind.